Your brain controls everything in your business, but here's what 90% of entrepreneurs don't know about how it really works. When you're stressed, your body releases a chemical called cortisol. Here's the crazy part. This stress hormone actually spreads to people around you. That means your stressed energy is literally infecting your team and killing productivity. First secret: exercise for 20 minutes daily. This flushes out stress chemicals and creates new brain cells. Studies show entrepreneurs who exercise make 23% better decisions. Second secret: look people in the left eye during meetings. This triggers oxytocin, the trust hormone, making your pitches 40% more persuasive. It's like a biological cheat code for building relationships. Third secret: get 8 hours of sleep. While you sleep, your brain literally washes out toxins that block clear thinking. Sleep-deprived entrepreneurs are 3 times more likely to make costly mistakes. Your brain is your most powerful business tool. Start with just one of these habits today. Which one will you try first?